Hello and welcome. This is the Coleman Weathermaster II, a 10-person tent by Coleman. It's the second edition of the Coleman Weathermaster. As you can see, it's a pretty big tent. I'm standing about 10 feet away and I can't even get the whole thing in my camera view. Right now it's set up for weather, really. Got the top tarp on and I've got all the windows closed up. The key to this tent is making sure that you set it up correctly, put all of the stakes in, and make sure that all of the lines are actually set if you really want it to perform to the best of its ability. Alright, let's take a look, walk around and take a look at the tent. This is the side view. You can see a pretty large window. Here's the back side. Another large window, the screened in area. Now on this tent, the screened area has full-size windows, a full-size door that can be opened here down the center, and then the zippers can go down the sides there. You can fully open those like curtains, and there's little tabs that hold them open. And those windows also shut. They're shut right now. And then here's the other side of the screened in area. Let's go inside and take a look. Something to note about this door, it actually has two stakes that you put in, so it's a rigid door. One of them goes around the arch on the door. What's nice about this door is it can be zipped shut fully, but it can also be open and velcroed, so as the latch, this latch here can open it up just like this. So it can be open just like a regular door. Doesn't have to be zipped all the time. Okay, walking inside. Alright, so this is looking towards the screened in area. You can see that there are two rooms to this tent. I would say it's pretty much evenly split, 2/3, 1/3. Looking here at the screened area. The screened area can be a bedroom when the screens are shut. So you can actually make it into a 2-room tent and you can sleep in that area. Just by shutting these curtains here, taking them off the loops, and then shutting the zipper. Then if I walk back into the screened-in area and look back the other way, there's the main tent area right there. The main master bedroom of the tent. And you can see there's 3 big windows there. I guess 2 big windows and a smaller window next to the door. The door also has a window. And again, in the screened-in area, all of these screens open up. Alright, looking at the bag here, just to get an idea, it's the 16 by 10 foot Weathermaster II screen tent. It says that it can fit 4 queen air beds. Just remember, whenever you get a tent, you should really take what they say, or how many people it can fit, and kind of cut that in 2, because you want to have room to store your items. It could fit 10 people, but they would be right next to each other with 10 sleeping bags, pretty much. This tent is one of the biggest you can get in the US for a family, and it's definitely big enough for a family of 4 or 5. This picture does a good job of showing what the tent looks like with the screened area opened up. Right? Few notes on setup here. I was able to put this entire tent up by myself. It took me about 20 minutes. That includes the cover. The cover can be put up with one person. There's a technique that's used to do it by yourself, and I'm just going to go over that real quick. If you set the cover down on the ground on the back end, and you put the 2 corners in first, and then you take one of the strings from the opposite side and you slowly walk it over, you'll be able to pull the cover right over. You can then tie off one of the ends and grab the other end, pull it over in the center, and tie those off, and then you can tie all of them off and have the cover on. And I can show a separate video showing that if anybody requests that. So this is the Coleman Weathermaster II. Looking forward to taking it out camping here soon. Hope you enjoyed the video.